Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to set up shipping on Shopify UK. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, go to the Shopify website and log into your account by entering your credentials. Once you're inside your Shopify admin dashboard, scroll down to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. From there, select Shipping and Delivery. This is where you can manage how your products are shipped. Under Shipping and Delivery, choose to create or edit a shipping profile. If this is your first time setting it up, create a new profile. Otherwise, you can edit an existing one. Here, give your shipping profile a name that reflects your product type or shipping area for easy organization later. Next, define your shipping zone. Since we're focusing on UK shipping, type United Kingdom in the search box and select it. You can give this zone a clear name, like UK Domestic, to avoid confusion if you later add international shipping. After this, click Add Rate to set your delivery costs. You can either choose a flat rate same fee for all orders or a calculated rate based on weight or size. Enter the rate name, such as standard shipping, and specify the cost that fits your business model. Once all the rate details are filled in, click Done to confirm, and then make sure to save all your changes. This will ensure your new shipping setup is live for your customers during checkout. And that's it. So that is how you can set up shipping on Shopify UK. So that's all for this video. Thanks.